baseball card fever. I really got a baseball card fever. It started with my very first pack. A dozen.
Hey, what is up, collectors? Diego here to take you on another sports card detour. I hope you'll take the little trip with me and by watching the video. Basically what I have here is another one of those little toolboxes that I have that I put all my little special top-loaded cards into, whether they be numbered or something that I like or autographed and so on and so forth. I used to put them into these little toolboxes thinking I was going to take a toolbox over to a card show or something and show them off, but they actually nowadays they bring big suitcases and all fancy stuff and everything graded and stuff like that. So I'm not pulling out this toolbox anytime soon, but I will show what's inside of it. And usually I do this video in 3 parts, so let's get rolling with it and seeing what's inside my next toolbox. This is toolbox collection number 4. This is the 4th one that I have. I actually have 6 of the boxes, so 2 more to go. And we'll show you some of the cards right now that I have in this one. Right here, we have an Eric Decker. That is for the Jets. I have a David Johnson relic card. Head to toe, Kelvin Benjamin for the Panthers. I also have a Malik Beasley for the Denver Nuggets basketball. There you go. Also another basketball card of Tyler Dorsey. Totally certified. Also from Totally Certified, same team, Atlanta Falcons, number 249 with John Collins for the Atlanta Hawks. Here we have, it's for the Cleveland Cavaliers, but you got Dwayne Wade with a Bulls uniform. But he was traded to the Cleveland Cavaliers, so that explains the red. Artist Endeavors. Number 299. That's pretty cool. This one was one of the first relics that I remember getting when I got back into the hobby here. This is an Antro Roll 50th anniversary patch. Number 150. Here's a Cordell Patterson for the Vikings. Looks like I got a lot of relics in this one. Duke Johnson rookie card, number 50 for the Cleveland Browns. I got a Ito Smith for the Falcons, autograph relic. Here's a Mike Bibby for the Atlanta Hawks, icon for 99. Got a Indiana Pacers Aaron Holiday. I think it's pretty cool. Let me just do this real quick. There we go. That way everything's set down to the bottom. Another Dwayne Wade. This time he's with the Miami Heat. Here's Mason Plumlee, number 325, rookie card. Then we got Joe Ingles, number 79, cornerstone. I got a Jay Crowder, number 1 of 139 for the Utah Jazz. An autograph of Ivan Robb for the Memphis Grizzlies. Got an autograph of James Michael McAdoo for the Warriors. I got Jerry Allen from Totally Certified. Got a Heath Miller for my Steelers, number to 99. Gold Zone. Andrew Luck, number to 999. Then we got number to 18. This is Josh Doxson for the Redskins, or the team formerly known as. Darius Slay, a press proof, number to 50. Here's a DeAndre Hopkins, number to 100, 2 touchdowns, highlights. Then we got a Chris Brown, not the singer, but Chris Brown, the football player, swatch supremacy. This is another one of the swatches I think I have forever. Here's one of those anti-magnetic from the company. This is Ryan Kerrigan, number to 50, with Bruce Smith in the background. Came with one of those magnetics. And here's another one. David Johnson with the Cardinals. This is number to 100, David Johnson. And in the back it has Chris Johnson. Then we have Passing the Torch. I got a Tony Romo relic, number to 49. In the back of it has Mike White. Do a few more here. I got a Bryce Petty autograph relic. And the Josh Rosen, number to 100, rookie patch auto. I should have sold that when the selling was good, huh? Let me take out a few more. And then we'll be done. Chris Wormley, rookie card, autograph. I have a Philip Dorsett and Devin Smith, Generation Duos. Here's a rookie thread of Sammy Coates. And another DeAndre Hopkins, number to 99. That's pretty cool. All right, guys, so that's the first batch. Stay tuned for the next one in the next video. Until next time, peace out, collectors.